Let's practice this phrase together with some common examples.
What's with? This phrase is used when something feels strange, unexpected, or not normal. It means, why is this happening? You use it when you notice something and react to it in the moment. You are not asking politely, you are reacting because something feels off. For example, what's with him today? This means he is acting differently than usual. Why is he like this today? Another example, what's with all the noise? This means there is too much noise. I did not expect this. Why is it happening? This phrase is very casual and very common in spoken English. Your tone changes the feeling. A calm tone sounds curious. A sharp tone sounds annoyed.
What's with the traffic today?
What's with the traffic today?
What's with that behavior?
What's with that behavior?
What's with her tone?
What's with her tone?
What's with the attitude?
What's with the attitude?
What's with the long line?
What's with the long line?
What's with your serious face?
What's with your serious face?
What's with your friend acting like that?
What's with your friend acting like that?
What's with the new phone?
What's with the new phone?
What's with all of these things?
What's with all of these things?
You did amazing today. The more you practice, the more confident and natural you'll sound. See you next time.